I want to ask your opinion on this situation. There is a group of high school students who is going from house to house to collect donation. The big group is split in 3 subgroups. The first group gets a 10% incentive of all the money they collect. The second group gets a 1% incentive of all the money they collect. The third group gets no incentive. In your opinion, which of the 3 groups collected more money? As you think about your reply, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Here is now the answer to the previous situation. The group that collected more money is actually the group that received no incentive, because they developed an intrinsic motivation for doing the task. Large incentives are not always the solution. Let me give you an historical example. In the 19th century, the French rulers of Vietnam established this law. Everyone who was bringing a dead rat received a financial incentive. And as a result of this law, indeed, a number of rats were killed, but other people started to breed rats in order to continue to get money over time. So the message is that large incentives are likely to drive people to do the behavior which is in their own best interest. So be careful to pay by the hour your architect, your lawyer, or your consultant. Another message is around the form of incentive. And I'm going to give you 2 situations again. Let's imagine that you met an attractive person, and in due time you tell to this person, listen, I like you very much. I would like to make love with you. Second type of situation, you met this attractive person, and this time you tell to this person, I like you very much. I want to make love with you. And to sweeten the deal, I'm going to give you 50 euros. Well, as you can imagine, it's unlikely that your potential partner will prefer the second option. Maybe 50 euro flowers are likely to be much more effective. So the message is that social incentives, gift, praise, certificates, awards, positive feedback are likely to be more effective than monetary rewards, especially with friends. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.